This file extension has two primary types. Is this a SAP Tutor file or a Sims character file? If it's SAP, it's a tutorial lesson. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify it. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the SIM file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. The SIM file extension, as defined by the user's internal database, represents SAP Tutor and SIM card data files. This dual definition suggests that SIM files can contain data related to SAP training materials or information stored on SIM cards used in mobile devices. The specific content depends on the context in which the file is used. The internal structure of a SIM file is highly dependent on its specific purpose. For SAP Tutor files, it might contain structured data representing training modules, exercises, or assessments. For SIM card data, it could contain binary data representing contact information, SMS messages, or network settings. Specialized software is typically required to interpret the contents of a SIM file. A common approach for SIM is to start with SAP Tutor or SIM card readers. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows allows minimal preview, but accurate reading requires tools made for that data format. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the SIM file and choose Open With. If SAP Tutor or SIM card readers is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If your SIM file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Failure to open this SIM file usually comes down to three basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, use SAP Tutor. If the file is a training module, install and open the SAP Tutor application to play the interactive content. Next, use SIM card utility. If the file is a phone backup, use a SIM card management tool or phone utility to restore the data. Finally, open in Notepad++. For non-binary files, use a text editor to see if there is readable configuration data or XML headers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.